So it says, hello and welcome to Papa Pepe's Pizzeria. I see great promise in you, so much that I'd like to share some of my secrets, and if you prove yourself, I may even let you run this pizzeria. Your training begins now! Woohoo! I'm sure you already know this, but let's come for the basics first. I'll show you how to assemble a pizza. Paparelli prepares ingredientes. I can't do this! Bake it in the oven and finally serve it. Dracula, no! I'm trying to sound Italian! I don't sound Italian, Sean. I don't. Just to continue, first let's begin with the base of for a pizza. There can't be a pizza without